sambusa ini guys. Baharat means mga condiments na, mga panakot na powder. Then kanitos bara McDonald's ng green leaves, then egg. Giboil ra ang egg ani guys. Then gimix, then i-wrap na to. Dami tayo. Dami. So, ito na nato ang ano siya guys. I-spread lang nato. I-expand para mo-fit sa size sa ito ang hirmaan. And then, put this one. Put this in. And leave it to that. And then, close. Close tightly, then remove the excess. Just remove the excess and through. Charan! Yan yun ako guys, yun ang pinabili mo. So muna siya sambusa egg. And now we make the other sambusa, kind of sambusa meat. This is sambusa meat. Meat yan guys. Meat from lamb or sheep, carnero. First we cut the edge like triangle size, and then put the meat. Just 1 spoon, or you just balance your meat. If it's need to add, you can add after you fold once. So you can add here if the meat is not enough, but this one is enough. So let's continue the same like what I did before last Ramadan. So it's so easy guys. Insert the eggs. So kalas means done. Finish.